All right, so this is too long. So we are going to give her a beautiful like pixie shag. So right away, I want a little bit of curl down here. So I'm gonna just flip this and I'm just gonna cut it. Probably gonna be a little bit more than that, but you just start somewhere to get like the big bulk off of it. I'm doing an outline. So this way we'll see some of this, and then we're still gonna do it short by the ears, right? But just not that short.
Yeah, I want to be able to, just wispy around the ears kind of deal, right? And I like my bangs still, and I'd like them to remain long.
I really want to make this because the whole haircut's very piecey. Yeah, I like that. Now I want to do this side over here. And you want to still be able to do a little something with this side, right?
Yeah, I don't want it like super short.
Yeah,
that's.
But it's going to be
Yeah,
piecey and short.
yeah.
Okay, and we're going over this side. Layering that a little bit. I'm gonna layer this. Some long pieces, short pieces, so look at how cute this looks already. Point cutting the whole thing. I'm gonna grab this back here. I connected side to the back. I'm gonna bring it here. Points, peaks. See how I'm doing peaks? And then you gotta checker to make sure it's the same length on both sides. This is gonna stay long, her bang. Ever so slightly, I'm going with the inside. Just doing it just a tiny bit. So we have points. That's what we're wanting, nice and piecey. Right now we got a checker. And right here though too, it's heavy. So I just have to take a little out of here. I have to check here. You have to check the length of the hair. Take it right back here and see. This one's a tiny bit longer. And then you gotta look too at both sides to make sure like right here by the ear is the same. So I want you to turn to your right. Okay, look right there and now turn to your left. Okay, now we're balanced. Now we're going to start the back. You really, really have to texturize her hair. She's very, very, very thick. .90-degree angle. I need it more of those spacey, more piecey. See all those nice, beautiful pieces like that? In, out, in, out, in, out. It's like peaks. These will flip up and they'll make it more textured and help the hair be more playful and piecey. All right, now we're gonna do the next. Now we're doing the beach ball. And so I try to tell people too, when I do a haircut and somebody shows me a picture, you customize that haircut. Like people say, well, why didn't you give them the same picture? First of all, it's not that person. So you can't do the same exact haircut and they don't have the same exact hair, but you kind of give them a model after that. I always like to say you model after somebody else's haircut. You know, not all hair is the same. And most of the time, I want to say now they do a lot of AI and stuff too. So it's not even practical or real. Gotta really take the bulk out of her hair because I need it just to like lay. And if we did it forward, that it would kind of be, see those little pieces? Mm-hmm. And then I even take the thinning shears and even cut it, you know, piecier.
Yeah.
You love your hair piecey, right?
Yeah.
Now on section number 2, on the right, the left side of her hair for the beach ball pattern. And when I'm doing a haircut, I always say like in your head, I do perfect hair, I do perfect hair. You know, it's like your subconscious mind will instantly start seeing things with your intuition that if you don't say that, you're gonna have insecurity and lack of confidence. You need to say, I got this. This is going to be great. This is going to be beautiful. My subconscious mind already does that automatically. And I always do say, I do perfect hair. Listen, there's no such thing as perfect, but I try to get as close as possible. So it's always good to say it anyway. Call things that are not as if they were. So you're saying, I do perfect hair. And I'm always thinking like, what's it going to look like if I'm texturizing it? It's going to be piecier. Gonna lay beautiful, and this is gonna go forward. She could do it back. She could do so many different things with this cute haircut, and it's gonna grow in amazing. And I just always want peaks. Now, so this is where I'm changing a beach bowl back here, but then I'm almost doing like the ladder pattern up here. And you could intermingle those patterns. It's important to take bulk out of her hair. She has so much bulk. Mm-hmm.
So what's interesting is in long hair, you'd layer it, but in the short hair, you're piecing it.
Yeah, but I do piece it too for long hair too, so it's really like easy to handle. Look at how cute all her pieces are, right? Mm-hmm. Because she's gonna wear it like the picture. Yeah. But she still has a lot of bulk. So, but really for the most part, now I check it all. All right, you're gonna like feel it. Pull it out. Feel it, pull it out. Make sure you pull it out at the same time too, so you can really check and just do it lightly. You're just checking to see, is it balanced? Super balanced, because this is like a nice shag, short, like it's not a full pixie, but it's like a little bit of a pixie. to check it too, I could also just like, if I wanted to be a little bit more, I could just do a little bit more here. Sometimes right in this middle part, I like to go a little shorter. Yeah, feels good. Feels really good. Okay, good. I'm gonna use some Mellow Shield in here just to re-wet it again because I don't want our hair frizzing out. I want it to like stay. Okay, and then I'm gonna let you check it real quick. Sorry, I just want it to be a little more wet. Go ahead.
No, it's fine.
Show it to me again.
Now, do you want these like the pictures?
I gotta look at the picture.
Okay. You are so funny.
I remember now. Okay. So.
Yeah. Now remember, her hair is not like her hair.
Right.
But we're going to take her hair and customize it to that haircut. There's no such thing as giving this identical same haircut. She does a different face, different color. So you have to use your imagination to think, okay, how can I make her hair look like that? You got to make it piecey. Got to make it piecey and fun. And then I'm going to do a flat. And then we'll puff it up a little bit.
Okay.
I'm also going to use some Formula 18 just to put some moisture in that hair. She colors it herself. And then I'm going to use some of this. Then I'm going to like really, this is a good one. It's like a calming piece, you know, because your hair wants to go out.
Yeah.
It wants to go out. I need a little bit more. It's like sucking up that moisture too. I really want to get her bangs.
Yeah, because my bangs will curl under. You know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And this haircut is straight. It's kind of like almost flat iron.
I know.
How you doing with that? It's called, I'm gonna be wrapping her hair to her head. All different ways. All right, first, I don't want all of this curl, right? So I'm just gonna get in there with my thinning shears, okay? There you go, these are the thick ones. I just want this to be a little bit. And I'm gonna get in there just so it flips up a little bit on its own. I don't want it to be super thick. Okay, right here too. This is still super thick. I'm gonna get in there. One, two.
Okay.
Right, get that hair out because we need her hair to be movable. It is just, you know, she's got a lot of it. Two. Right in that root. Get that hair out. See that hair? That's just extra hair that she needs to move. This hair needs to move. When you have a whole forest of trees, you got to remove some so things can move and be piecier. Trust me, if I didn't do this, it would be a lot harder for her. Right here's the thickest.
Probably.
Okay, especially here. You have a nice thick bang, right? One, two. See, now we can move her hand.
Wow.
I couldn't move it before. Isn't that amazing? And I'm gonna do it right in the front too. It'll just make it piecier. And listen, there's a balance. You learn how to like do it to the right amount. Now let me check here. Right here, it's bulky still. I feel it right here. I'm gonna go in there. And listen, this is her own curl. So we're going with that curl, but right here too, I feel this bulk right here. I'm gonna pull that up. Get in there, look at it with your eyes. See it. Those are little calyx underneath.
Yeah.
Get those calyx.
Usually they get like if you, I don't know what I'm gonna ask you. You need to clean it up now because it's like.
Oh, no, it's not that short though.
Okay.
It goes with the whole
Lovely
haircut.
grays.
Oh my gosh. You should feel one side to the other. I didn't finish this side yet.
Yeah.
but this side looks so much better. All right, now it's not as thick on this side, so I don't have to do as much, but I'm just gonna do a little. So one here and one here. And then right here in the middle, one here and one here.
Wow.
And then one more here. All right, now I want you to put your fingers through that and be happy, happy, happy. I like to go in there like this. She has her own natural curl, so her hair is going to do what it wants to do, but I did try to pull a lot of the curl out. Formula 18 molding paste. Just takes pieces and makes it so pretty. Look, we just take a little bit of this and you just pull.
Oh, okay.
You can pull some here. This is how it makes it separated. That's like, you know, all the AI stuff does it.
And this is the real work.
Yeah, this is the real work. Look at how cute. And then we put it even around her face, like you pull pieces where you want them to be. And if you looked in that picture, it's all piecey. Let me just feel this weight over here. I feel like it's a little heavy here. I want you to check this. Right?
Oh, yeah.
A little heavy there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We see it. We see it. I feel it. Get that weight out of there. And then I really felt it right here. Okay, now feel again. Oh, yeah, it feels great. Okay. Yeah, voila.
Yeah.
Tell me if you want that bottom shorter. This, your little pieces. See, because you can make them also go a little like fuller,
Yeah.
right?